only by wild animals. There once lived a goat rishi. The wild creatures loved him and come to him to be taught by him. One day it so happened a leopard came into the hermitage. Like a serpent, young and weak, went dog. The dog wants the dog. The dog turned to his guru and he told, "O Holy One, this leopard wants to eat me. Please find some way to save me." The guru told, "Don't be afraid, my son. Let their natural from discipline us and be thou a dog, but means be thou a leopard." There was a blinking flash like a sun. Like a sun broke. There was a boat shining like a burnished gold. Seeing this magnificent animal, his own species, leopard, left at once. After some time, a fierce tiger came into the hermitage, shouting, "Roar!" The leopard, who was really a dog, crouched in fear. The guru told, "Be thou a tiger." The dog became a tiger. Seeing this new tiger, the hungry tiger went. One day, having a long meal, he was sleeping. In that, an elephant came into the hermitage like a great cloud. The tiger, who was really a dog, ran to his guru. The guru told One day, it so happened a shrub came into the hermitage. The animal who had 8 legs wants to eat the dog. The dog told, "Be thou a shrub." The dog became a shrub, bigger than other one, and the shrub gone. One day, the shrub, who was really a dog, wants to eat the guru. The guru understands he wants to eat me. The guru told, "I will transform you in the tiger, in the leopard, and tiger, an elephant, and finally a shrub. And you shrub wants to enjoy me." The guru told, "Be thou a dog again." The shrub, who was really a dog, he became again a dog. Again, he was sitting feet on